But we woke up to the Rockies.
Can you see?
Yeah.
You can sort of see, right? It's a driving day today. We need to drive for 3.5 hours to our next spot.
But we're leaving the mountains today.
Yeah, we're leaving the mountains today though. We won't see them for quite a while after this. And then
He does have a mouth.
and we'll get
Why
going.
are you covering it?
It's cold.
Look how little peanut butter he puts on his toast.
That's a normal amount.
This is a normal amount.
Alright, so Calvin peed on our doormat and now we're washing it. Way to go, Calvin. You have no idea.
Nice.
Alright, now to find our next campsite.
Where is it gonna be? It's in Saskatchewan.
It's in Saskatchewan.
Yeah. So we are continuing our journey east over into Saskatchewan. We've left our campsite at Waterton River and are headed to Maple Creek. The entire drive should be about 350 kilometers and should take us about 4.5 hours. Alright. Got a spot. It's not a really busy campground. Like there's a rig deep over there. It's like relatively private. Got our own little picnic table here. Spaghetti! Actually, it's rotinis.
It's spaghetti.
Dana calls it spaghetti even though it's not spaghetti noodles.
I don't like spaghetti noodles. Stop it! Oh my god, he was licking this the whole time.
That was probably all on camera. You didn't even know.
There's like 2 different areas of the Grasslands National Park. We're going to the west block because the east block is like 4 hours away.
2.5 hours. Alright, let's hit it. Alright, so we're here at Grasslands National Park.
We're doing this loop.
We're doing the Eagle, what is that? Butte? Butte. And then 70 Mile?
Yes. Please be aware of this.
Beware of rattlesnakes.
And bison. And cell phone coverage is limited.
Oh. I'm gonna be rocking the head strap again today. Always a pleasure. Alright, here we go. Eagle Butte.
Butte! Mike, stop!
Alright, so in our rush to leave this morning to get here on time, we forgot to pack any food. Not really sure how that happened.
We're 2 hours away from work.
Oh, we're like 2.5 hours away.
The
We just started the hike. We've had 1 bowl of cereal each, so at least that's something. And we have water, but no food. Grasslands National Park is located near the southwestern side of Saskatchewan. It's a 900 square kilometer nature preserve, home to over 70 different types of grass, making it one of Canada's last remaining areas of undisturbed grasslands. It's not as popular as the other national parks in Canada and receives only around 10,000 visitors a year, but that also means quiet and solitude, with only the sounds of nature and our footsteps as we explore the Great Plains in this harsh, semi-arid landscape. Well, we're here. We're at the top. You can see 360 panoramic all around us. It's pretty cool. So for anyone that's coming here, when you get here, the sign at the parking lot says that this hike is difficult. It is not difficult.
It's hot and it does make it a little bit hard, but like,
sure.
I wouldn't say that this is a difficult.
No, there's not like a ton of inclines. There's probably one section that's switchbacks and that gets a little tiring, but it's not a hard hike. What is it?
Grass here. It's the little guy.
Oh yeah. Oh wow.
Be careful, puppies.
That's why I got you nice and close. I save you from the rattlesnake. No, you gotta be quiet. The rattlesnake will come eat you.
Alright, so we're back in the car. That was an awesome national park. There was a ton of great views, and once you're at the very, very top, you see everything in a panoramic view. It's pretty awesome. Now we're heading back to our campsite. We're gonna have lunch because we didn't bring food, and we're gonna go check out some sand dunes afterwards. So that'll be cool. Stay tuned. We stopped in this random grocery store in Gull Lake. Nice little small town. Got some cheese sticks for after a hike, and we're starving. Calvin's starving too. He's hoping for a cheese stick. Good. Alright, we're back at the campsite.
Got about 3 hours to kill.
Yeah, we want to go to the sand dunes when it's sunset, just so we can get really, really nice photos and video. So we got some time to kill. Just gonna chill out here for a bit. Solar's doing awesome, by the way. It's a super sunny day out.
We were at 50.
Yeah, when we were left, we were pretty much at half battery. We used a lot of it last night, recharging our camera batteries and things like that. But we're back at 100 now, and yeah. All right, time for sand dunes.
Yeah. Hello everyone, we are now at the Great Sandhills in Saskatchewan.
The Great Sandhills, located near the town of Leader, Saskatchewan, is a 1,900 square kilometer ecological reserve with massive sand dunes that are constantly changing and shifting with the wind. 12,000 years ago, during the ice age that covered most of Canada, these huge glaciers that resided here, and they crushed the tons of rocks that were below. And when the glacier melted away, these sand dunes were the remnants of their passing. Calvin would do this. Please stop. Oh my god. Look how proud of himself he is. Alright, back at the car. Lots of sand to get out of our shoes, I bet.
Whoa.
Oh, that's a lot. Okay, so that was the Great Sandhills here in Saskatchewan. That was pretty cool. It kind of reminds me of the Fiji Sikatoga sand dunes that we went to on our honeymoon. Those sand dunes were near the ocean and there were these giant waves crashing onto the beach. But now we're heading back to the campsite. That was a pretty full-on day. We drove about 6 hours all over the place. But tomorrow we're gonna be heading back into Alberta and we're gonna be camping at a place called Dinosaur Provincial Park. Sounds pretty cool. I'm sure it's gonna be awesome. But yeah, like I said, it's been a long day. We're pretty tired, so go back to the campsite and eat and just kind of relax. See you guys.